Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Head Teacher Assembly message. This is for the children of Grange. And what I want to speak about today, as we begin 2023 in earnest, we're in the second proper week of 2023, is who am I actually? I'm not going to answer that question because can you imagine if each of us asks who exactly we are? But I am going to say what we are not. We are definitely not just our feelings. So, sometimes I hear children saying, or sometimes I hear people saying, I'm sad, I'm angry, I'm happy, I am worried. Now, if you think about that, if you say, I am worried, it's like, that's all I am, I'm worried. I am happy, that's all I am, I'm happy. I am sad, that's all I am. I am angry, that's all I am. Obviously, we are more than just our feelings. And the real secret is we can actually control our feelings and master our feelings and be more than our feelings. So the thing is, especially when we're angry, if we just say, I'm angry, then we're just going to behave the way anger says we should behave. And if you just stop and think about that, often the way we behave when we're angry is not the right way to behave. If all we do is we say, I am sad, and we think that's who I am, I'm sad, then we're going to behave in a sad way. And if you think about it, behaving in a way when you're sad, it's not always the right way to behave. So, I have something to say to you. Feel it, yes, feel your feelings. Don't try and deny them. There are psychologists who have spoken so much about that when people try to deny their feelings. Feel your feeling, but then name your feeling. And what I mean by naming your feeling is say, I am feeling sad. I am feeling happy. I am feeling worried. I am feeling pleased. Because if you've named your feeling and you've named it as a feeling that you are feeling, but it's not everything that you are, then you can control it. Because you can say to yourself, I am feeling angry. Now, what am I going to do about that? Let me make the right choice. Maybe I should just sit quietly. Maybe I should get to a safe space. Maybe I should ask a trusted person to help me to master it. But the point is, I'm going to make a good choice. Because if I feel it, name it, then I can control it. So, everybody, this is the message I want to say to you this week. Feel it, name it, control it. You are more than just your feelings. You are who you are. There is no substitute for you. There is no substitute for each of us. Each of us is important. That's why we put our hands on our hearts at Grange and we say, CC salute, because confidence, I will be the best that I can be. And consideration, I will care about everybody around me. So who am I? I am in control of my feelings because I feel it, I name it, and then I control it. Have a brilliant week of deep learning and good progress at Grange, and be the very best that you can be, because there is no substitute for you. Be great, be Grange.